Today we're going to go through This Land Is Your Land, and I just want to go over each chord before we start. This is the C chord. The first finger is on the first fret and on the second string from the bottom, and we're only playing 3 strings. Okay, and the nice thing about this one is your D7 is you're playing the 3 or the second and the third right around that, so it makes that little triangle. So you got 1, 2, 3 fingers right there. This is a 4 finger or a 4 string chord. Now I don't even lift this finger, I just go slide, and 1. Your third finger is the G chord. Okay, so again we got C, 3 finger, 3 string chord, add your 2 fingers, D7, and then slide over to G. Okay, so we are to introduce the introduction. We're gonna actually play 5 chords, because you've got to pick up on the count 2. So we're going to play 1 full measure, and then we're going to play 1 count, and then we're going to start singing. And if you can, eventually I'd like you to start singing, and we're going to just strum 1 for every beat. So we're going to go 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, the first verse is the same chord structure, but we're going to start doing a different strumming pattern. I want you to try down, up, down, up, down, up, down. As I was walking that ribbon of highway, I saw Okay, so we've asked you to experiment a little bit with your strumming patterns. So this next verse, on the second verse, we're gonna try going down, up, and instead of 1 for every strum, it's gonna be two strums per measure. And so we're gonna be able to kind of go a little bit faster. So it'd be go like 1, 2. Oh, I'm not doing it right. Okay, so you're gonna go, this land is your land, this land is my land. So you have it down, up, okay? So we're gonna go 1, we'll do 2 measures of that and then start. So we're gonna go 1, 2, this land is your land, this land is my land. verse. I roamed and rambled, and I followed my footsteps to the sparkling sands of her diamond deserts, and all around me a voice was sounding. This land was made for you and me. And you notice the end, I kind of support the singing at the end just with a couple more strums. Okay, so we got 3 different chord patterns to practice on that. I think this would be a great video to try to practice your going back and forth with the chords and then also the different patterns. So we'll see you guys this week.